Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to change birthday on Nike app. So let's get into the video. Open up your Nike app and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so if we're going to change our date of birth or to reflect our birthday change, so hit on your profile. So open up your profile here, click on the hamburger item on your top left and open up your profile. So and then hit on edit profile here. So when you get to not edit profile, simply click on your profile here. Hit on your profile, go to your settings here. So now when you get to your settings here, you will see your basic details here, but your date of birth, as you see, it might be grayed out, so you won't be able to change it through the app by yourself. So what you have to do is simply scroll down and then hit on get support, and then you need to contact the support team. You can either call them, so if you only try calling, or you can just report an issue. So either one of these options, you can just select that, and then what you can do, you can simply get the support team to fix your date of birth for whatever reasons you have mentioned it. There's a mistake or something, so you can just get it sorted through them, so they'll be able to do that for you because you won't be able to fix it by yourself. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.